Empty pools, empty pools, empty pools. Why are there so many empty pools in condos?
Do you know that 85% of the condo residents are not using the pool, despite having to pay the high maintenance fees?
Despite having their pools literally a few steps away.
Despite having more time since they are working from home now.
So what are the real reasons?
I have no time. The weather is too hot.
I don't know how to swim.
Well, unfortunately for the first two groups, we cannot create time or shoot down the sun for them.
But for the third group who cannot swim, we are here to help.
Hi, he's Edmund and I'm Kelvin and we are from Learn to Swim SG.
And we have been helping condo residents to swim of all ages, from 4 to 54 years old.
Yes, not only kids learn to swim from us, many adults have taken their first step.
No, their first stroke to learning to swim with us as well.
That's right, it's never too late for adults to learn how to swim.
Because you can do things like going snorkeling while on holidays,
Having tremendous fun with your children in the water.
working out your whole body to lose weight and become fitter in a virtually low-impact environment.
Our adult clients love us because we provide one-to-one or very small swim classes.
We are STA certified.
We are affordable and yet we provide free extended classes.
And of course, they tell us that we are fun to be with.
Yet, we are professional as their swimming coaches.
Especially now that if you are working from home, this is your best opportunity to be picking up a new sport or an all-important life skill.
You have already lost so many opportunities with your friends, your family, and even yourself to be in the water up till now.
Why continue to miss out on all the new things you can do in life?
And not to mention these all-important survival skills.
Take your first stroke by learning to swim with us at Learn to Swim SG.
I'm Kelvin.
I'm Edmund, and we will see you soon at your pool.